Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. VP Records adding new dimensions to soca. VP Records today released Soca Gold 2019, a compilation mix featuring the best soca songs of the season representing the best of the Caribbean. The two-disc set, which includes 17 tracks on disc 1 and a Soca Gold 2019 mega mix by Team Soca DJ Spice on disc 2, it includes soca hits like Come Inside, Sweet Woman and Savannah Grass, plus many more. To celebrate the release, VP Records will host their third installment of the VP Live series with Soca Gold Live on June 29, live from Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Soca Gold Live, represented by the RGR Glina Group, will be streamed live on VP Records' YouTube page and broadcast live on RETV, heard on radio stations globally and broadcast later on TVJ. Additionally, a Soca Gold Live watch party will be held in New York. VP Records is also diversifying the soca experience by partnering with Brooklyn-based fitness organization FitBK FitQB to launch Soca Gold Fitness, a New York City-based health and fitness initiative inspired by international and Caribbean music. Now it's revival time for Edward Seaga. Patrons gathered at the revival table held in memory of former Prime Minister Edward Seaga on Wednesday at the Tivoli Gardens Community Center in West Kingston. The extravagant affair was filled with the true essence of the revivalist cultural traditions as family members and well-wishers lit candles in memory of Mr. Seaga, who was Jamaica's fifth Prime Minister and served the West Kingston constituency for 43 years.
May the blind see, the deaf hear. May peace in every region throughout the world. Tonight, for the departed soul of our late leader, His Excellency George Philip Edward Seaga.
Mr. Seaga, who was an anthropologist outside of his role as a Jamaican politician, did extensive research on revivalism, publishing several articles on his work. An official period of mourning is being observed from June 19 to 22, during which the national flag will be flown at half-mast in public buildings. Mr. Seaga will be given a state funeral on Sunday, June 23, which will be broadcast live right here on TVJ. He'll be buried at National Heroes Park. Now to news overseas, where Drake has been immortalized in wax. Canadian rapper Drake is the newest wax figure attraction in Madame Tussauds Las Vegas Gallery. The Six Gods figure is part of a fully interactive experience, replicating his famed Hotline Bling video on the James Turrell-designed colorful set. Meanwhile, Drake fans are speculating if Drake is no longer with the Cash Money label. The speculation stems from Drake's new singles, Emerita and Money in the Grave, listed under the label Frozen Moments on Apple Music. Earlier this year, rumors surfaced claiming that the I'm Upset rapper ended his Cash Money deal after delivering his final album, Scorpion. A new label was registered in the months leading up to the end of the contract, called Frozen Moments. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.